Renz is blocked. Behind the back, straight goes to another former UE Warrior in Gerard Wilson, getting his 5th point of the ball game.
Saturday. And look at Straight with the block. The steal though from Gonzalez.
Finally, a basket coming from Cyril Gonzalez. Post is good, coming from Errol Soriano.
Grabe yung lakas ng katawan ni Errol Soriano. Hindi makuha yung bola sa kanya. Incredible strength.
I like this wrestling matchup between Martel and Errol Soriano. Renz Alcoriza binuksan ng bangko ngayong Sabado, 7th point of the
Bukas
ball
naman
game.
daw eh. Agad-agad.
Siya, take kaliwa. Kick out to Cyril Gonzalez. Kick out is good. Cyril Gonzalez able to make the 3. Ubaldo answers right back of the corner jumper.
Good for you. Si Ton hindi pa daw eh.
Soriano gets another basket.
Pero si Errol Soriano.
Kay Cyril. Cyril on the drive. The spin. Can get it. Munmun. The fake. The bump. Too strong.
That is fantastic defense.
Kanina kakwentuhan ko si Gerard Wilson eh. Sabi niya, only 2-point guards today, bro. Me and Jomen. It turns out it's 3-point guards. Si Jason Straight ang pangatlo. Goes out. 3-pointer for Guile. Wala pa rin. Pangatlong pagkakataon. Gonzalez one more time. Finally hits a 3. Is Cyril Gonzalez.
Yeah, he caught that ball in rhythm. Cyril Gonzalez.
Riano. The wrestling inside. It's a clean block coming from Munmun. Ball is stopped. They go to Montaño. Open for the lay.
I felt like Soriano was fouled there.
I think na nakita ko mga 3 days bago ni-release eh. Na-excite ako eh.
Si Iko ba nagpakita sa loko yun ha.
Jomel, 2-man game, rejects Daryl Manliguez. Sticking with the ball handler, but J.R. Alabanza able to get the hook.
Love that move. Able to finish.
Yun yung masakit. You defend for 21 good seconds and then on the 22nd, there's a hook shot, but Christian Pajarito,
Although matagal-tagal ang pahinga niya.
well, usually a guy that really provides a lot on the offensive side, but always, inagawa ng candy yun ah.
Kaya nga.
Manliguez, alley-oop to Jello Santiago.
Man, this is where you really love just, you know, yung pagiging tenacious nila sa depensa. Kitang-kita. But Berjay, I will scrutinize every move.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo, Coach A, talagang pinag-aaralan na niya ang bawat kalaban at bawat kakampi na pwede. 3 seconds remaining. Manliguez pushes the ball at di nagkaintindihan si Montaño at Gonzalez. That will end the quarter. 13-point lead in favor of Pasay.